Okay, in this video, we're going to go ahead and continue where we left off. Um, we created the existing house with the existing walls that we know of and the roof, but we still need to put windows and doors. Now, because these windows and doors are going to be existing windows and doors, there's a certain way we have to put them in. So let's go ahead and review that now. So I'm going to go back to my PDF. And I see here at around, we're going to put this at 9 feet. There's a 3680 glass door. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put in a door here. And we got to change the swing. Let's swing it out and the other way. Here we go. We said we wanted at 9 feet, or yeah, 9 feet. Let's double check. Got 9 feet. So we'll go ahead and put 9 foot. And this needs to be a glass door, so we're going to open it. And go to the library. We need to find French doors. So we have French doors here. I'm just going to pick this one. Doesn't really matter, I don't think. All right, so let's go with this one. Hit OK. It's 3680. Now we're not done yet because this is an existing door. So we don't want a label on it. So we're going to suppress the label. Go to label, suppress. We don't want it on our schedule. So we're going to go ahead and where it says schedule, we're going to check the box that says include on schedule. So it's unchecked. We hit OK. There. Now we're going to go ahead and put in some types. We're going to go to T for text tools, second one, which is rich text. We're going to put right in here existing, caps lock on, existing door to remain. I usually like to have it centered, align in center, hit OK. We're going to turn it this way. So it reads this way, and then we're going to pull this in just a little bit. So it's about there. We'll put it right in here. Existing door to remain. Here we go. We still have to put in a garage door. Let's see, I don't know if they have it. Okay, it looks like just a regular 7-foot garage door. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to our garage door, which is this tool here, garage door. Center it. It's already an 80/70. See, we have the label is here. We don't want that label, so we're going to double click on the garage door to open it. We're going to go to label, suppress label, schedule, uncheck, include schedule, and we have it there. So that's looking good there. If we look at it, we have that stuff there. It's good. Looks like we have 2 windows over here, 2 3763s. If we go to our plan, 2 3763s. Looks like they're about 2 foot off. That's where we'll put them. We put one window here, which is already a 3763. 2 feet. Again, we don't want this in the schedule. We don't want a label for it. So we're going to click label, suppress label, uncheck include in schedule. Going to hit OK. Now we're going to copy this window and put it right next to the other one. So we're going to copy it. I'm going to just paste it to home and slide it over. It's right there. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're not doing anything with the windows. This is just to show what it would look like, or what it looks like existing wise. Still have to put a front door. So let's go ahead and put a front door here. Actually, before we do that, delete, because we have to make this a porch. Let's go ahead and make this a garage as well. So we're going to double check in here, double click in here. We're going to come in and just put garage, and we're not going to show the room label. So we uncheck show room label. And then in here, we're going to double click this. We're going to make this a porch. And we're going to check show room label, and we want to drop this 4 inches. So -4 inches. Let's make sure that we drop this floor 4 inches. Nope, we didn't. So -4 inches. Now if we look at it, we have our porch here. So now when we drop our door, it'll actually be a front door. If we had done it before, it would have put it as an interior door. So if we look at it now, what we have. Still have to put this other window here. It looks like it's a 3763. So we'll just copy one of these. We're just going to put it right in the middle. So we're going to copy it. Snap it right to the middle. We have that there now. Now this door, again, we have to double check it, double click it, remove the label, suppress label, schedule, uncheck include in schedule. And that gives us all this information now. Now these walls, I do not want them hatched. So I'm going to double click on them where it says wall types. I'm going to go define. I'm going to double click right here where it shows this fill. I'm going to put no pattern and hit OK. This should change it for all of the walls outside. Yep. So that looks good. This looks good. Again, we're going to grab this stuff. Turn it. Now the door is actually going to remain on this. We're just going to put a little wall behind it. So existing door to remain. Here we're going to put existing window to remain. Pull this out. Center it a little bit. Copy that. I'm going to put one here. Copy this one, and we're going to put it right here. that is that. So that's all completed. Now if we look at it, this is what we have. It looks good. So what we will do now is clean it up. We're going to get rid of all these X's. I'm going to go here to this X. This X with the 4 X's around it, we're going to click on that. That's going to delete all of those X's. That's good there. We want to make sure that contractor knows that we're not touching the roof. So we're going to copy that text. We're just going to put existing roof to remain. Let's go ahead and put that here. Let's pull it down here. Okay, and we'll put another one here. We'll drop another one back here. We'll put one more here, just in case. That looks pretty good. Now, we need to put another door inside. Let's double check it. There is a door, 30-inch door, 16 inches in. So we're going to come here, double click it. 30 by 80 door. Suppress label and uncheck include in schedule. Hit OK. And you said it was about 16 inches in, so we're 16. We have that there. And that should do all the doors. Oh, it's going the other way. Let's reverse it. Okay, looks good. Okay. Looks like we've got the existing house done. So now we're on to the next step. That's that for this video. I'll see you in the next one.